Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and this week we're in Barbican. Now for the next half an hour, it's all about interviews, music videos, and so much more. Come along for the journey. You won't be sorry. Bacchanal Fridays is back, and for the next 6 weeks, it's non-stop action at the Mass Camp in Kingston. We were there for the opening night, so check out the highlights.
We're super excited to be a part of Bacchanal again this year. This year we're celebrating 15 years in partnership with Bacchanal, and it's truly amazing and truly a blessing to be a part of it again. Bacchanal and Jamaica Carnival is truly part of our culture, and every year Digicel looks forward to being a part of it. So this year, once again, we have so many prizes, so many surprises, so much stuff in store for our customers, and with the unveilment of the ultimate entertainment system, Digicel Play, we're looking forward to all of our customers coming through to Bacchanal every Friday and seeing what we have in store for them. This year we've built a brand new Digicel Play store here at Bacchanal. So every Friday when customers come into our store, they get the opportunity to get 50% off up to 3 months of a Digicel Play plan. Also, they get the opportunity when you sign up to win a frontline razzle-dazzle costume. That's simply amazing. And for our current Digicel Play customers, they get the opportunity to get 10% off all of our costumes. We're actually partnering with Appleton to do Pond the Road again. It was a tremendous success last year, and we're looking forward to taking it island-wide. We believe that Carnival is a Jamaican culture, and all of Jamaican people, not just those in Kingston, get the opportunity to share in it. So we've been blessed with the opportunity of being a part of Bacchanal, and we think that it's very important that we take Carnival to all of our customers. So all of you in St. Ann, everybody in Mobay, everybody in the Grill, Savlamar, look out for Digicel and Appleton Pond the Road, because we're bringing Carnival to you.
I'm absolutely excited. I haven't jumped in about 2 years, so I'm happy to be back on the road and happy to be fitting with the Digicel family.
The costume is called Razzle Dazzle. Talk to me about that.
Well, it's an absolutely beautiful costume. It has a little bit of pink, a lot of purple. I absolutely love it, and it goes with my skin tone.
The only thing to expect this year is the unexpected. We're bringing all new themes, brand new additions to the Friday night fetes. We're pumping up the road march, definitely. We're pumping up Beach Juve. It's going to be a year like no other. We're building off of the legacy left behind, and we're carrying it forward to the new legacy. Beach Juve is the last weekend in March, and then Juve is April 1st with Road March, the culmination of Carnival and Bacchanal on April 3rd. It's going to be an unbelievable fete. Every night from Beach Juve straight until Carnival, we have a fete going on, and it's just going to be something new and unreal.
Tell us what you bring to the table each year when you prepare for a different week at Bacchanal Fridays.
Well, Bacchanal Fridays is a thing where I come, and I play with a free spirit, because the crowd is mixed. So you can't just play the new music, so you have to come with a little difference. And people are always watching me, I don't know why. They never watch me, but we just work with it.
I see the sound of the Mass Camp with your friend, put your hands up.
Whenever you party and drink, make sure you don't drive. Listen up to this very important accident prevention tip, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
With the carnival season now in full gear, there's always the potential for persons to drink a lot. But do remember, when you are drinking, do not drive. Plan a safe way home before you head out to a session or event. Designate a sober driver and leave your car keys at home. If you are impaired, take a taxi or simply drive with a friend.